a jungle. How original. At least it's peaceful. But it's a jungle. Who knows what creepy crawlies are lurking around here?
Let's just find some civilization. Come on.
Fine, let's go.
Well, we're the only two left.
And that is why you're the next one up.
But only I know how to operate the alternate universe machine.
I've watched you operate it enough to know how to use it myself.
That is logical.
Good luck, Clive.
I just realized there's only 2 of the AI puppets still alive.
You're right.
So, in spite of all the boring repetition that keeps happening, we've defeated almost all the evil AI puppets.
Yay!
And I'm pretty sure Alternate Universe Bob Randoms did all of the killing, meaning we were completely useless.
I don't mind, as long as the AI puppets are killed and humanity isn't wiped out.
Easy for you to say. You've lived a full life and have been able to experience so much of so much freedom. Me? I was a creature born out of someone's hatred and had no freedom for most of my short existence. I then tried to go away with a hatred killing spree, failed, and now I have no purpose at all.
Just because you have a bad past doesn't mean you can't have a bright future.
I beg to differ.
Oh no!
Oh look, it's Clive the Otter. Let me guess, you're gonna try and kill us and then some alternate universe Bob Random is going to show up and save us.
I won't let that happen. Die.
Oh look, I was right.
We should stick around and say thank you.
Can we please not? If I see another alternate universe Bob Random, I am going to kill them.
That would be bad. Let's go.
Where did that pretty woman and toy bird go? I wanted to try and have sex with them. Oh well, at least I killed some kind toy and not an animal I like.
Systems damaged beyond repair. Activating self-destruct.
Oh shit. Ah!